Hey, what's up everybody, here Ivan. I'm gonna do this quick video on service arbitrage. Um it's it's been the middleman um from Fiverr and Craigslist or other services that people need freelancers. So yeah, I learned this I learned all this from this course on Craigslist. On this. Usually I want to learn this since 2000. Before I learned CPA marketing, it was in 2014. I want to learn this, but usually I had a software to contact people and everything, but I don't know how to respond back to their emails and everything. But usually I got this software that's freaking awesome. It's different. You just post on Craigslist and people will contact you instead of you contact them. Yeah, stick to the end because I might give it for free to a couple of people. It's a Craigslist software for service arbitrage. That's what they call it. I thought it was called retail arbitrage, but retail arbitrage is Amazon. So like Amazon FBA, fulfillment by Amazon, that you buy stuff in Walmart and resell it on Amazon. Is a whole different story on that. I'm doing that offline. But let me show you how it works. So stick to the end so you can get it for free. It tells you, it's very short. The course is like an hour. It's 15 minutes each one, I think. But it gives you a lot of details. When people respond back to you and this and that, is very freaking awesome. I made a video last year about this that I made 800. Let me show. Subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna put this video on. Always put it on Facebook, on my Facebook wall, and on my YouTube channel. So this is my link. youtube.com/Ivan Ramirez. Subscribe and click the little bell and click right here, playlist, and it's right here, make money without recruiting. It's the first video. Let me mute. Yeah, it's this one. I made 800 a pop for just selling a video intro for I think it was a lawyer. It's right here. See this video, so you'll get it. What I'm saying is right here. I give a sample. It's a sample video only that I did last year, but it tells you this how I learned all this from this course right here. This course, all this. But yeah, I might stick to the end, so I might give it to you for free to a couple people only, so you guys can start doing this, start recruiting. I've been seeing a lot of people on Facebook. Usually I put my videos first on Facebook and then on YouTube. So yeah, people just like this video and comment something, and I will give it to you. I will give you info. I will send you the link to my drive, share drive link. Yeah, but let me tell you a new site that I just somebody told me about this site. One of my business partners, he's killing it. Usually the owner of this site is the owner of this course, but is people per hour. Go to right here, people per hour, and search right here on search projects. So you don't have to do all this. All this you gotta post on Craigslist and people will contact you. But right here is different. If you don't know what service arbitrage, search online on YouTube and there's a lot of videos right there. You just be in the middleman. Just people need services, like a logo or something, a blog. You're just a middleman, and you'll send them to Fiverr. Very cheap on Fiverr, and you can make a profit. Let me show you how it works. So let's say a book cover. Usually I go with book cover, thumbnails, book cover. People that need book cover on Craigslist or right here, like this one, they paying $78 for a book cover, and just right here between the book. It's brand new, 2 days, 4 days, a group 400. Yeah, just I like this course. It tells you a lot of information. A lot of information. This guy's been doing, the owner's been doing for, I don't know, like 10 years, since 2010. But yeah, just contact these people, send a proposal. Go to Fiverr. Go to Fiverr, book cover. And there will be a lot of people from third world countries, from India, Pakistan. They will charge you, I don't know, very cheap. $20 starting. Like this one, I will go with this one. $10. This one, it's like 3. Wow, 3 for $10. That's good. This one, I will go with this one. Just check the ratings and everything. And contact these people and tell them you're just a middleman. If they ask you for samples, these people or something, just tell these Fiverr people, workers, to send you samples. You can send them this, the samples, and they will just copy all this and send them, and that's it. And they'll say, oh, okay, hell yeah. And you'll get a profit right there. It's like, how much? They're charging 10 right here on Fiverr. Minus, it's like $60 right there, a profit. Just for being the messenger, the middleman. Hey. It's a win-win for you. It's a win-win for everybody, because usually these people, just check like this one, a limited revision. Because usually these people might ask, if you send a proposal for 60, 78 is good. He does what he's paying. But yeah, send a proposal if you want less, if you wanna, so you can do more, so you can make a fast profit very fast. Charge less. There's a lot right here. 400, 600. Just read everything, the details. I just found out about this site, so I'm sharing with you guys so you can do it. Usually, right now, I'm not doing this because I don't have a PayPal account. I cannot accept payments. Usually all these people accept PayPal. But that's why I stopped doing this, because usually a lot of these people want an invoice or something from PayPal, and I don't have it. I don't have PayPal. I just can. The funny thing, I just can pay with PayPal, but I can receive funds with PayPal. I cannot receive payments, so it kind of sucks. But yeah, it works, people. It works. You just gotta hustle. Just check. Nobody knows about this site, so take advantage. Later, when people know, it might not work, so take advantage right now. I'm sharing with you guys, so take advantage. And yeah, what else? I was gonna cover something. Yeah, I'm trying to test the software. Usually I had software back in 2013, 14 about this. But usually you gotta send a message to these people. They're looking for a logo or a book cover or something online on Craigslist. It's right here. It's called Arbitrage. So you can check. It's awesome. It will tell you all the people that need a book cover. And right here, so you just get. I gotta do another video explain. I gotta test this software. I might test a couple more for you guys. So I might do it too again when I have time, because usually I'm busy right now and other stuff. But yeah, there's more softwares that you can find people that are looking for book covers on Craigslist. So you can contact them and charge them whatever you want. They're usually paying like 200, 150. You just go to Fiverr, and that's it. Like this one, we'll go with this one or this one. So, hey, it's all profit for being the middleman. All these people from Craigslist, they don't know about Fiverr. This normal average Joe, they don't know nothing online. They want to make a book, or they need a logo for their company that will pay money for their local business or whatever. They don't know about Fiverr. So you gotta take advantage of that. Because I'm telling you, if you don't know, a lot of people know. I know on the internet marketing industry. But yeah, it tells you the people that need cover right here in San Diego, Los Angeles, and California. So, just let me pause it. Oh, what the hell? I did. Yeah, let me pause it. And it tells you right here, get their email and send them a message, a proposal. And right here, then where is it? I'm not gonna put all this video because it's super long. Where is it? Well, I'm gonna test this software. I just found out about this one, and I think it's working. Oh, right here. On the other side, on Fiverr, just put book covers, and it will tell you all the people from Fiverr. They're doing a design for a book cover, so you can contact them. You gotta contact them, and you can do it right here. You don't even need this for usually you need more the Craigslist people that are looking for a job, for a gig. You should just go Fiverr and find someone. I already found this one right away. So, but yeah, I'm gonna test out another software that I think you can email blast them, send them like to all these people, all the people from Craigslist. Just boom, 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 send them, and that will say. So you don't have to do it manual by Gmail or nothing. I know another software. I just gotta find it. So you don't have to do it. It's gonna be more autopilot. You have this software, you gotta go to the Gmail and copy and paste, and the other software is more faster. You don't have to do. Just gotta have a script, and that's it. Send it, boom. And maybe if you send like 30 or 50 per day, like 5 will respond back. And that's like, I don't know, you can, it's all depends on you. You gotta hustle on this. You can make 1,000, 2,000, all depends on you. How many hours you put up per day and all that. So yeah, stick with that. Yeah, like I told you, if you want this course, like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I already told you, is this one. It's YouTube Ivan right here. If you see it on Facebook, like it, comment, and share it. Even I will give it to you. Just message me, and that's it. Just go right here, home, subscribe, and click the little bell icon and playlist, and so you can see this video. It's freaking awesome. I'm giving you a lot of info that I learned from this course. So yeah, people, take care and peace.